Hello everyone, my name is DarKalligraph. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be doing some calligraphy and I'm going to be doing two. The first one is going to be in real time as you see here, and the second one I'm going to speed up. This calligraphy is based on Copperplate, although I don't know the actual rules yet. I'm going to be using just a regular Fineliner, as I don't yet have one of those calligraphy pens, although I am going to get one. It's just going to take a while to arrive. But when it does, definitely expect a video on that because I'm really excited. So, currently the situation is we have ordered the pens and they will arrive in about a month, so around about November 7th to 12th. So when they do arrive, I'm definitely just gonna drop everything and make a video because I'm really excited to get him. And so we can learn how to do Copperplate calligraphy and how to use the pen in general together. And maybe that could be a good way to learn, I don't know. But yeah, I'm really excited because I've been using just the Fineliner for so long, and it would be so cool to be able to dip it into the ink and then write. I've never used it before, but I think I could pick it up relatively quickly, I guess. I have practiced with a Fineliner for so long, so I would know the technique, but I don't really know the specifics of using the pen yet, and that's something I can only really figure out as I have it. And another thing I want to talk about is my lack of uploads. Sorry about that. I did actually plan and fully record a video that was going to be released after this one, but it didn't quite turn out how I really wanted to. I didn't really think it was really good enough, so perhaps I can recreate that. It was going to be doing black letter calligraphy with highlighter, but the thing is, I'm not actually an expert at doing that, so I thought it was well, I don't really know how to do it, but so yeah, it wasn't really a good enough video, so. But maybe in the future I can recreate that, and I'm planning to record hopefully tomorrow, so expect slightly more videos, but yeah, I have been kinda tired, but I am writing this quote as part of a calligraphy challenge on Instagram by Calligraphy with Liz, and you can follow me there. I post these little prompts daily, well, at least I tried to, until a couple days ago, in which I kind of forgot, but hopefully I can get back to that. So yeah, follow me on Instagram and you get to see more of this stuff. As you can see here, I am experimenting with some flourishing. Flourishing is something I haven't yet mastered, but I'm working on it. And I think I've done a pretty good job here, for at least how long I've been doing it. And now we have one last thing to put in, and it took just under 6 minutes to do. And now on to the next one. Now this quote's gonna be a little bit longer, so that's why I've sped it up. If not, then this video would have been 14 minutes, and I think it would have been a bit boring if it was just 14 minutes of just writing. So yeah, I'm not gonna really say much now. Enjoy, have a great day everyone.